Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Marsoui is a small coastal municipality in the Haute-Gaspesie region of Quebec. It sits on the north shore of the Gaspe Peninsula along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. The village is surrounded by forested mountains, with the Marsoui River flowing through the community toward the Gulf. Marsoui had a population of about 270 people in the 2021 census. The population has declined significantly over the past several decades, as has happened in many rural communities in the Gaspe Peninsula. The area was first used by indigenous peoples long before European settlement. Later, European fishermen began using the coast and nearby waters. Permanent settlement developed during the 19th century as families established themselves along the rivers and coastal areas and built an economy based mainly on fishing, forestry, and small-scale farming. Fishing was especially important in the early history of Marsoui. The Gulf of St. Lawrence provided cod and other fish, while the river and surrounding land provided access to inland resources. Fishing families often combined fishing with farming and forestry, giving them several ways to make a living in a region where employment was strongly seasonal. Forestry eventually became one of the main industries. The mountains and valleys around Marsoui contain extensive forest, and logging provided jobs both directly and through transportation and processing. A sawmill was established in the community during the 20th century, reinforcing the importance of the forest industry to the local economy. The railway line along the Gaspe coast helped change the local economy. It made it easier to move fish, lumber, agricultural products, and other goods to markets outside the region. It also gave residents better access to communities farther along the coast. Although rail service has changed over the years, the railway remains an important part of the history of Marsoui and the surrounding Gaspe Peninsula. Today, forestry continues to be an important source of employment in the area. Because Marsoui is small, some residents commute to Sainte-Anne-des-Monts and other nearby communities for work and specialized services. Seasonal employment remains an important part of the local economy. Tourism is also becoming more important. Marsoui's location between the Gulf of St. Lawrence and the Chic-Choc Mountains gives it access to both coastal and mountain recreation. The area is used for hiking, hunting, fishing, snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, and other outdoor activities. The nearby mountains are part of the larger Appalachian Range that runs through the Gaspe Peninsula. Marsoui may have only a few hundred permanent residents, but it represents an important part of the history of the Gaspe coast. Its combination of indigenous history, fishing and forestry traditions, railway connections, and mountain scenery makes it a distinctive community along Quebec's North Shore. watching.